Here in our WNEP backyard, we had about 4.5 inches last night, another half an inch with these snow showers this morning. So we are up to about 5 inches here in the WNEP backyard. But Eastern Pennsylvania, that's where we've seen some of our highest totals. So Coolball Township, 11 inches, Effort, 10.5 inches. Minersville, that report actually about 3 miles northwest of Minersville in Schuylkill County, a little bit more than 8.5 inches there. Lewisburg in central Pennsylvania, 4 inches there. So there's some of our reports, and I have some additional snowfall reports. Lords Valley, that's in Pike County, 11 inches. So again, it's that Wayne, Pike, Monroe County area that we're definitely seeing some of our highest totals between about 10 and 11 inches. Ashfield, 8 inches. Millertown, 7.1. Palo Alto and Schuylkill County, that's 7 inches there. And Arlington Heights, a report of 5 inches there. So all of these reports came in overnight last night into this morning. So we will add to these totals again with these snow showers that are continuing to fall. These lingering showers early this morning. So here it is on satellite and radar. The steadiest and heaviest snow ended last night. We did have a lull overnight last night, even a little bit of some mixing, some sleet and some plain rain mixing in too. But now those snow showers continuing to filter back in. So a bit of a closer look. Farthest north and east is where we're seeing some of that steadier snow. Nothing all that heavy, but light to moderate snow is falling in places all across our northern tier. So Bradford, Susquehanna, Wayne, down into Lackawanna County, much of Wyoming County, Sullivan County, seeing some of that snow there. And a little bit of a closer look farther south into Luzerne County, we are seeing some of that snow shower activity filtering in. So it's moving from the west to the east. It will continue to do so, and as it does, it tapers off, it comes to an end. So Clinton County, where it's been snowing for a lot of the morning, I think we're pretty much done with the snowfall, and that's the trend we're seeing now in the western part of Lycoming County, the western parts of Union and Snyder County too. So again, the snow moving from west to east. By mid-morning, central Pennsylvania, I think it's pretty much done. Takes a little bit longer in eastern Pennsylvania, but by mid-afternoon, I think all of us are seeing that snow coming to an end, tapering off, and then conditions improving into tonight and overnight. And then from there, it is a quiet start to our week. So just a recap, what we're expecting now through the rest of the day today. Again, another inch or so possible with these lingering snow showers. That's mainly this morning and this afternoon, tapering off from west to east. It will also be a bit breezy this afternoon, so temperatures right around freezing right now for a lot of us. We'll get into the mid-30s for highs today, but it will be a bit breezy with a wind out of the northwest. It's 15 to 20 miles an hour, some higher wind gusts. But by then, again, those snow showers coming to an end. So quiet tonight, quiet briefly to start our week, so no issues weather-wise Monday morning or Monday afternoon. I think we even see some breaks of sunshine on Monday before the end of the day, but then our next storm does arrive later on Tuesday, bringing another chance for a mix. So a quick look at our 7-day forecast. Again, temperatures today in the mid-30s. Overnight tonight, 28 is our low. It's mostly cloudy. We dry out. Again, no issues to start our week for our Monday. Then that mix moves in on Tuesday. It's cloudy at first. The mix looks to be brief before switching over to plain rain. And then the issue, the biggest concerns Tuesday later in the day, the heavy rain, gusty winds really picking up. So with heavy rain on top of the snow melt, there's potential for some flooding, power outages as well with those gusty winds, and it stays gusty on Wednesday too. Some showers in the morning do come to an end. Quiet briefly on Thursday before it looks like another winter storm likely for later Friday into Saturday, once again bringing that mix to just plain rain. So again, that was just a quick update on our forecast as this storm pulls away. Those lingering showers around will come to an end as the day goes on, so definitely seeing some improvements by later this afternoon into this evening. Jeremy will be in at 3 o'clock. He'll give you another web update, and then you can check out his full forecast on Newswatch 16 at 6 o'clock this evening.